Yo, what's up? It's my homie. It's my homie. What's up, Mike?
What's happening?
Chilly, man. I see you representing that working out, bro. It look good,
Very
man.
comfortable.
Yeah, comfortable. Yeah,
Very
I see you.
comfortable.
Yeah, I see you coming down the way. I say, man, who's that over there? And come to find out, that's my boy Mike. Represent that working line all the time. Yeah, man, what's been going on? How people been acting when they see that working line, man?
I gave out a couple of cards, They said
Yeah,
they're gonna come check you out.
appreciate that love, bro.
All right.
Yeah, it's going down, man. Look good, man. Yeah, got the Jordan going with it, man. You making that mother look good, bro. It's already tight. Yeah, that's what's up right there, man. I'm just hollering at my boy, man, trying to get this thing going, man. Working a lot, doing this thing. Here's my boy Mike coming through, representing, always come through since day one. You know what I'm saying? Representing your boy, man. I'm
All
just,
right.
I'm just doing a little short video right quick. Yeah, you good, Mike?
I'm good.
Yeah, you coming back and holler at your boy?
Yep, coming back.
Okay, come back and holler at your boy, man.
All right, man.
Work a lot, baby.
All right.